All right, there are many ways to frame a window with regard to framing the sill plate. So you can have um, a jack stud broken and the sill plate inserted, um, or you can have no um, attachment under the sill plate, or you can support the sill plate by adding a cripple stud besides the jack stud. So let's do it this way. Okay, so go back to your SketchUp and we are going to have a rough opening. Um, According to our size here, it must be 1 inch bigger than a 2 feet by 3 feet. So the height now is going to be 3 feet is 36, so it must be 37. So here we're going to add a temporary line again here. And we're going to go down and type 37, press enter, and then go to the right. Okay. Now, SketchUp will automatically close that when it detects a enclosed region. So we can leave it like that. Okay. But what we're going to do next is we're going to add a sill plate here. So we're going to double click this one and we are going to make another uh, rectangle that is 1.5 by 3.5 and we're going to pull it up and then triple click it to make it a group, and then we're going to do some rotation and we're going to make sure that this is the top of this is on the bottom of this line. So we're gonna do some move and move that on the whoop. We're going to move this from this corner. We're going to move that to this top corner. Okay. And then we're going to edit that group and then push pull it so it touches this edge here. There you go. And then right click and close the group. Um, we're going to rotate this and we're going to rotate that so it's vertical with the other studs. And we're going to move this corner here to this corner. And that's going to be our extra cripple supporting the sill. We are going to double click and push pull the bottom so it touches the bottom plate. And we're going to close the group and copy this to this side. So we're going to make a copy and make a copy here. There you go. And that is going to be our window frame. And all we have to do is add the cripple here below the plate. So we're going to close the group. And what we're going to do is we're going to edit. We won't need this. We won't need this anymore. So we're going to simply erase this and erase these two. There's another line below here, but we can erase that later. So we have to match this small cripple plate on top of the header below here. So we're going to double click this group and then select this and make a copy all the way down until it touches the bottom plate. Okay, and then all we have to do is edit this group. So double click, push pull the top until it lands on the bottom of this plate, and then close the group. And then let's zoom extents and see. Yep, I think we're done. And all we're going to do is move this back to its place. Okay, so we're going to select this. We're going to select this whole group, and this group is separate. And we're going to do some rotation, and we want to rotate it on the green. Okay, and then hold your shift key so it locks it in, and then select that and make it stand up. And the carpenters are going to do it on the floor, and then when it's done, they're going to have it stand up and simply move that back to wherever it's supposed to be. Oh, move that here. And if it's not lined up, just like what I have here, all you're going to do is simply do another rotation, click that in this corner, and then touch this top corner and make sure that it's now on this top corner here. And then right click and oh, and then just inspect that all around and see whether anything is wrong. Looks like everything is fine. And we have just framed this for our window. Okay.